Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use GPT-4 for free, what ChatGPT thinks about it. Let me remind you that you can officially use GPT-4 for free using version 3.5. 3.5 is limited by the fact that it does not take information from the internet directly, but uses the information uploaded to it until 2022. GPT-4, on the other hand, is a more powerful version of artificial intelligence. It's analyzing information from the internet at the moment. It's exceeding, for example, the image generation. Officially, this version costs $20 a month, but in this video, we are going to look for ways to save money. For the first way to save money, we are going to need the Bing search engine. This is a search engine from Microsoft. It has a chat section. What do we need? We click on it and there we are in Bing Chat. Microsoft emphasizes that Bing Chat is with GPT-4. We can't ask unless we sign in with a Microsoft account. Let's do that. We click on Sign in to register. Enter your email or phone number that you are logged into your Microsoft account. And if you don't have that account, click Create one. Now that we are logged in with our account, we can communicate with Bing GPT. Note it says here that Bing Chat works on GPT-4. That's what we need. And let's chat with it. Write the most popular chats with AI. Send it. Started writing a list. And here we see that he gave the first place to the ChatGPT from OpenAI. Next, the Google Bard chat from Google, Microsoft Bing AI on the third place. I miss Claude here, the powerful chat with artificial intelligence. And let's write the same to GPT 3.5. Write the same question and we see another answer to this question. In my opinion, Bing with GPT-4 did better because its information isn't limited. If for some reason you aren't satisfied with Bing Chat, for example, you think it doesn't answer correctly, then I offer you another option which actually I like even better. For this, let's go to Poe.com. Poe is an artificial intelligence chat aggregator. Sign in with your Google or Apple account, and that's all. You see here both ChatGPT-4, DALL-E, which allows you to generate images, and Claude Artificial Intelligence, and we can use all of that in one place. Here you can start a new chat, click on More, and select, for example, Claude Instant. Let's try the same question. Claude gives us a strange answer. Let's make a clarification. Not types, but companies. Send. It's better. We are not seeing the best answer because this is not the latest version of Claude, and he even labeled himself twice. If we select your bot section, we see a list of all the bots. Let's try Stable Diffusion to generate images. Let's write a black and white giraffe. Okay, that's good for this short prompt. To download it, you just click Download and the picture will be saved. Everything works great. If we go into the settings, we can see what artificial intelligence is available to us. Stable Diffusion generation is available to us. 100 free requests a day. We have access to Claude, which we used, 30 queries per day. The rest isn't available to us without a subscription. If we are using artificial intelligence through Poe, we are paying $17 a month for everything together. So that's the latest version of GPT-4, the latest version of Claude, and image generation. Click on subscribe. Really, it's for a year. If we pay monthly, it's $25 a month. But it's not bad for such a set of chats. It's a pretty good deal. Use whichever you prefer, either GPT 3.5 for free or GPT-4 for $20 per month. Maybe you prefer Bing AI with free GPT-4. Also, you can use free Poe AI or paid Poe AI. Thank you for watching, good luck, and all the best!